The solutions of an inequality in one variable, such as x greater than 4, can be graphed on the number line. To graph such an inequality, we shade part of the number line to indicate the values the variable can take on that make this statement true. And we'll indicate that with this ray. The endpoint in this case is an open dot since we are not including the value 4 in our solution. If we have an inequality in one variable, such as shown here, x is less than or equal to 11, meaning that if x was equal to 11, we would have a true statement. 11 is not less than 11, but we are including 11 in our statement because of the fact that we have this equality included in this inequality. To graph then, we will shade the points that make this inequality true, and note we are using the closed dot again because of not only a less than but an equal to as well. This red line then with the arrow indicates that it continues off towards negative infinity, and all values on this shaded line then will give us a true expression for this inequality statement. In place of a closed dot, we could also have drawn a bracket, and in place of an open dot when we are not including the endpoint, we could have used a parenthesis.